In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UT Bot Alerts TradingView Pro. We're going to walk through the basic process, step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to load the UT Bot Alerts indicator on your chart and get yourself set up inside TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. You can use any market or time frame you like. The steps are the same. On your chart, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community indicators live, and it's the main place you'll go anytime you want to add a new tool to your chart. Once the Indicators menu is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the top section of the window where you can quickly find any indicator by name. Click into that search bar so it's active. This makes it a lot easier than scrolling through long lists, especially if you already know exactly what you're looking for. Now, in that search bar, start typing UT Bot Alerts. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the results below. Look for the UT Bot Alerts entry in the list. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your current chart. You should notice new signals or lines appear, depending on how the script is built. If nothing appears right away, double check that you selected the correct item and that it's enabled in your indicator list on the chart. At this point, you can fine-tune the settings if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart and click the settings icon. Here, you can adjust inputs like sensitivity or style so the signals fit your trading style and the market you're analyzing. Take a moment to experiment with these options and see how they change the look and feel of the signals on your screen. To get the most out of UT Bot Alerts and run more indicators or multiple charts at once, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. If you'd like to support the channel at no extra cost to you, use the affiliate link provided in the video description. That link takes you straight to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page, where you can choose the Pro plan that suits you and then continue using UT Bot Alerts with all the added Pro features.